Hi friends, in this video I wanna show you that the mind-blowing app of AI photo enhancer. You can fix extreme blurs. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. The app will do automatically your extreme blur and fix it to perfect image. So let's begin the video. So at the screen you are seeing that there is a photo AI photo enhancer app. You will go to your Play Store and you will write here AI photo enhancer. AI photo enhancer. So at the second there is AI photo enhancer. You will simply download this application from your Play Store. Okay, so we will open our photo AI photo enhancer app. So it will have a ad. So here are the photos in the gallery. You will simply select one of the photo which you want to fix the blur of your picture. So we will tap on the picture, and at the second option you will simply tap on watch an ad. You will simply tap on it. It will loading ad, and you will see about 30-second ad. It is still loading. Make sure that your net quality is good while you are using this application.
बरवत आपको देता है 1 लाख रुपए तक का कर्जा।
This is the ad which we
रीपेमेंट का
have
टाइम
seen on the
180 दिन
screen.
तक।
So we will
मार्कअप सिर्फ
wait till
0.3%।
30 seconds have passed.
3000 की रकम
After
पर
the 30
अदायगी
seconds have
3009
passed, the
रुपए।
photo will be
मार्कअप
enhanced.
सिर्फ
I
9
will
रुपए।
show you later.
10000 की रकम पर अदायगी
While the ad is
10000
running.
30 रुपए। मार्कअप सिर्फ 30 रुपए। 50000 की रकम की अदायगी 50150 रुपए। मार्कअप सिर्फ 150 रुपए। 1 लाख की रकम पर अदायगी 1,03,000।
And you will simply tap on the cross option. The photo has been 95.7% processing. The app is enhancing our picture which you have selected. Okay, it is done. Okay, so now you are seeing on the screen that the photo has been enhanced. So look, the blur, that was the blur. It is the before and after effects of this photo. It was before it was this, and after it is enhanced. So you can see on the screen it is very clear. So this is the simple process of enhancing your blur. So this is the blur picture before, and this is the after effect when the effect has changed. So this is the simple process of fixing your extreme blur in your picture. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos, and you can save the picture from here as well. This picture will be saved in the gallery. So make sure that you have liked the video, and please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.